Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is to not only motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. Again, this is Saturday, and on Saturday I try to talk about products, services that I personally find it very helpful, very effective. And one such product that I am going to share with you in today's video is again by Agaro. Agaro has come up with this new foot massager which is very effective, very soothing and very helpful for people who have long-standing work, who wear a lot of heels, or else who are suffering from plantar fasciitis. And this product is Agaro's foot massager with warm function. Model is Astra, and this foot massager comes with 3 rolling massages, and you can change the intensity at 3 levels, which is high, medium and low, and gives warming function. It's a great product. I've already used it for myself as well, because I feel a lot of time that if your foot is relaxed, your entire body is relaxed. So I use it personally many times. Let me show you how it is used. So friends, as you can see, I have connected the adapter to the electricity line and I am ready to take my foot massage. All I need to do is press the on button. As you can see, this red things have started moving. I can change the intensity or speed of this, and I can also on and off the heating function. So now the heating function is off. If I press on, the heating function will on. I'll place my foot over it and I'm here sitting relaxed and enjoying my foot massage. Be it your tiring day or you are suffering from a very common foot problem, which is plantar fasciitis, or else if you have spent a long time wearing heels, after which you are feeling foot pain, sole pain, at that time this massager is definitely going to help you. Once I am done, all I need to do is just switch it off, and this is ready for the next use. So friends, this was my review on Agaro's foot massager. Few comments that I would like to give. This product is definitely effective, it's helpful. It would be an ideal product for someone who is having long-standing working hours. For them, this would be very good. If you are someone who have got chronic foot pain, maybe due to plantar fasciitis or some other issues, at that time it would be very good. And it would be also good for someone who is just looking for a relaxation purpose, okay? Who wants that rest after the entire tiring day. For them, this would be very good. The only thing that I felt could have been better in this product was the length of the wire. So if the length of the wire is longer, you can shift and take it for longer places. You need to find a close by place for this product. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it is all good, all well, and I really like the product. So the link to buy this product is mentioned in the description box. So please make sure to check that video out. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.